going on, guys? Reaper here. Welcome to Reaper Garage. Today we're working on the truck again. Fortunately, I can't zoom anymore because this camera lens broke. When it rains, it pours. No, I haven't cut the rear bed off of the truck yet. I got sick when that happened. But I'm just gonna start taking all these brackets off. Maybe taking this whole rear support off, taking that front support off, getting all this cleared up. Maybe, depending how I'm feeling, drop the gas tank. I don't know, if I remember correctly, I'm pretty sure it's bolted up in the rear and slid forward. Unless the front has bolts on too, holding it up. I don't quite remember, it's been a minute. But do that as well. And yeah, probably take this gas tank out and probably post it up for sale. It's always somebody that may need it, so I don't know who wants it, but you never know. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take this whole main support out, and then yeah. Now that bar is off, you know, I can come in here and do whatever I need to do. I'm taking this one off too, and yes, I'm C-notching the frame, so this guy has to move either way, but that guy I know for sure is going back on. This bar is getting deleted. Deleting this master because I'm doing a dual caliper brake setup back here with a Z21 rear brake system, disc, rotor, etc. So I'm putting aftermarket master back here, so I have his own system. But yeah, I think next is probably disconnecting these guys, like taking it off from that bracket, taking that off from that bolt. It's a sensor that goes through that harness. Looks like I got a couple things to remove. You're probably saying, what the heck is wrong with you? Why would you cut that? Blah, blah, blah. The crazy part is, no, I didn't need to cut it off because it will come out. I remember my last hard body that I did frame all the way up as well. I didn't have to cut that off. But my last hard body, I did do a C-notch. This time, I will be doing a C-notch. And on top of the C-notch, I will bolt this back on for extra, I guess, support, and just in case I want to weld something on it for like more brackets and stuff, I have it. In the end of the day, it really doesn't hurt. I can just weld that back up to right there. So that's that. Cut this out, do the C-notch. I'm not cutting that out until I have the C-notch brackets and stuff, but quite literally, it's a walk-in, walk-out situation now. Now I can undo all these brake lines, the gas tank out easier, dry shaft, do a bunch of stuff. I don't know what I'm going to do next yet. I'm probably going to do the brake lines next, get those out of the way. So the rear end is completely out, as you can see. nothing is left besides the gas tank. I'm not gonna do the gas tank today. As you can see, I tied it up with the dry shaft too. Not like I cared that dry shaft was on the floor because I'm not using it, but just gotta remove the brake lines, the cab, stuff like that. But hopefully the next video is probably removing this gas tank, probably cleaning out the cab because the cab is full of shit. And yeah, so the rear end is clean. Rear end is back here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this rear end yet, if I'm gonna use the same rear end or put a different rear end in here, but it's back here. It's no longer on the truck. The shocks on these things are blown, obviously. Look at that, they won't even compress or decompress. Crazy. But yeah, the rear end is gonna stay here until I decide what I'm gonna do with it while I'm working on the truck on other things. So I might just put this rear end back in the truck just for now, temporary, when the truck gets done, if I don't get another rear end for this truck. I don't know yet. I'm still on the edge of, I don't want this truck to be on the road until it's 100% how I want it to be. So it's gonna be sitting here for a while. So that being said, guys, this is the end of the video. I'm not gonna be doing anything else on the truck. The sun is starting to go down. I did a lot of work. My back hurts. I still have that back issue, kidney back issue. So yeah, thank you for watching Reaper Garage. I'm Reaper. I'm out of here. Here's some dirty hands for the exit.